will receive the recording by mail.
So we will be uploading it in our YouTube channel. So please do subscribe. You will get to see all the recordings.
Okay.
Can you please share the YouTube link, the profile of the
Oh
channel?
yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. I think in the previous meeting we shared, but again I will share. Not to worries. It's very
Oh, it is
simple.
in a form. It is in a
Yeah,
form.
it's in
Yes.
form.
Yeah.
Correct, correct, correct. It's in the form. You please go all the channels, subscribe so that you can get to see all the updates. All the we also do a lot of collaborations, a lot of job opportunities. Also, we work out in different role in Excel, Power BI, Python. These are the three main pillar I would say. Also, another thing is SQL, right? So this comes the entire pipeline of a data analyst role. So we have been working for few of the companies with few of the companies in collaboration with building competencies on this area. So that's what we had a word with Giovanni, and Giovanni said that yes, probably we can organize such kind of session. Okay, so without wasting further time, I would like to understand how many of you are aware of a tool called Power BI. It's
Once
okay.
again, the question.
How many of you are aware of Power BI, the tool named Power BI.
No, I know nothing about it.
Okay, Rajita, no worries, no worries. We are here to learn.
Use it for work, a little bit for work.
Little bit, okay. You are working in Power BI.
Not in. I've been working with it for as an analytic for my analytical role, but
Okay,
just surface level. Just
all right, all right.
yeah.
Very good, very good. I didn't get your name. Can you please
Email.
Inhala? Okay. Narisha is saying, I have been working with it for almost 2 years now. Narisha, this is not for your session. We'll take the next session with you. Maybe the advanced level uh, you can join. Just kidding, you be here. But today we'll be going through the basics. As you know, that most of the participants are very new to the Power BI. That's what we. Yes, 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 definitely. All right, all right. Okay, so what I'll do is first thing first, I will share with you. Okay, no worries, Shiki. No, I will share in the chat one file. In fact, I will share two files. Okay, you can open in your system. Just it's Excel file. I hope you can. Yeah, have you received? Can you able to see the Excel file?
Yes, we got it.
Yes.
All right. Please
Yes.
download it. Please download it. And I need a volunteer. I can pick from anyone who wanted to be a volunteer. Shikina, since you wanted to learn from very beginning, would you like to be a volunteer? If yes,
Sure.
please share your screen and
We
open
have to
this file.
download the Excel file.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Open the Excel file. See, I'll go to, I'll explain what Power BI. Before that, we wanted to learn this data set so that we can get a rough idea, and then I will go to try to explain things. It's a very simple tool. Please understand, it is not like Python or heavy coded thing. I know you guys are from morning learning one of the other things, but this is very chilled out session. This is a very simple tool. I would say the very simplest tool. Within few clicks, you can make a dashboard. Okay, and please do share your screen, Shikina. I'm getting one message. Okay. Will I get a recording of all sessions we have registers for? As I mentioned, all the sessions are getting recorded, Narisha, and you can check in YouTube channel. All right. Shekina, any difficulty? Just one file. Yes, just one file. Hello, I'm unable to put my camera. Oh no, no worries, no worries. Okay. Unable to put my camera. Oh my. Okay, no problem. Yes, wonderful. So what do you see? This is a data set. And can you go a little down? There's a three. One second. Can you go a little down? Three sheet. Can you able to see? Okay. This is the first. Ah, exactly. So what do you understand, guys? Looking at the sheet, one thing it talks about the product. Okay. Product. Yes or no? And product is what? Milk bar, 50% dark bites, almond choco, raspberry choco. What is eclairs? What are these? Chocolates? So the product is
Yes.
chocolates. Okay. There's a category which talks about bar bites, other. Correct? Can you see it? Can you see the third?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, we can.
Okay. Okay. And third column, can you see that cost per box? Okay.
Yeah.
Also, can you see the geo, which is the countries, geography? No, Julisha, we are doing recording here. We will be sharing you the link, not to worry. Maybe you can focus here. Geo is geography, which is, as you can see, India, USA, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and the region is APAC, Americas, Europe, and so on. Can you go a little bit further towards your maybe the right side? The salesperson? Yes. It talks about the salesperson, it talks about the team, it talks about the picture, blah, blah, blah. All right. Thank you so much. Shikina, thank you. Thank you for volunteering it. Now you can unshare it. Now I will share my screen. Please let me know if it is visible to everyone. Okay. All right. So this is our workshop dashboard in a weekend. Okay. uh, Guys, all of you know, right, what is dashboard? Anyone who doesn't know about dashboard, please let me know so I can explain. Dashboard is basically a what do you mean by dashboard? Can you just tell me? Anyone? I need volunteer, please.
What the dashboard is, the visualization of the data. Um, so it's
Yes.
easier to process or read off it, something like that.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. So visualization. See, today's world, everybody they're looking for visualization because this is the world where you can we deal with lots of data. Suppose you are working with your CEO and your CEO asks, okay, you know what, today's sales is, say for example, X. In 2 years down the line, how we can reach to that Y, right? So if you can show me all the plans, all the calculation in a one view, that is called dashboard, one view. So just here one star mark that we call it dashboard, even we call it dashboard, but honestly this is not dashboard in Power BI. This is called reporting, report building. Dashboard, I will show it to you in coming sessions. Exactly, there are in Power BI, there are different kind of tools. There's kind of collaboration tools. It's called Power BI Service, where you push it, publish it, and then it comes as a dashboard. All right, I will take you through. Uh, Coming to the today's agenda. So what is Power BI? Okay. Before than that, I wanted to understand how many of you have already installed Power BI and how many of you have not yet.
I haven't yet.
All right.
Not yet,
No,
not yet.
no
I
worries.
have
Uh,
not
Not
installed
yet.
yet.
all right. No
Not
worries. No
yet.
worries. Okay, no worries. So can you go to Microsoft Store? You can see my screen. Meanwhile, I'll explain what is. I'll start with Power BI basics, but meanwhile, you can start installing. This is not a very difficult tool. It's a very simplest tool. It's a very simple tool. It's a free tool, Power BI desktop. Maybe you can try with this Power BI. Can you see Power BI desktop?
Can I use
Any?
the browser version? Because I have that from my work.
You can do so, but I would recommend, if you can do it from the Microsoft Store, you'll
Hmm.
get more clarity, the most latest version, most latest, update version of the Power BI,
Okay.
because it's
So
recommended
I
even
can
with Microsoft
search for
Power BI, and
I
this
can search for Power
desktop,
BI
desktop. Can you
on
able to
my
see
own
that?
computer.
Yeah, no, no. Go to Microsoft Store. Okay, my screen is visible to you guys, right? You can see this Microsoft Store. You click it, it opened up, and then you write it Power BI Desktop. That's all, and you get a this kind of symbol, Power BI Desktop app. Clear? Any questions?
One moment.
Hmm. You would like to share your screen?
So we need to install it?
Yes, yes, yes. I have already installed, as you can see, it is already been installed. So you need to click and then install. Um, Meanwhile, you can try installing it. Any difficulties? Do let me know. Probably we can start going. See, already we have half an hour is done with the session. We'll start slowly, not to worry.
When I did that, Power BI desktop, it sent me to a link on internet.
Can you share your screen, please?
Um,
Yeah. Yeah, so Whitney, meanwhile, I'll take your question. There are two Power BI versions. Power BI versions are plenty. Power BI collaboration tools are there. There are different kind of tools. Power BI desktop, Power BI service, Power BI itself. Inside there are Power Query. It's a lot of different variations are there. Okay. Mm, you can share your screen. See, it will look like this.
okay.
Mhm. You do have to just put install, and then once you install, the end the product will look like this. I'm sharing my screen again, and you can see this is how it looks like. You will come to this. It may come as white as well, but you can change it to dark version as well. Clear? You would like to share? Anybody is have you anybody have installed already?
Which
Yes.
one do I have to choose? Let me show you.
Yeah, yeah. Please share. Power BI desktop. You have to go to Microsoft Store. Okay. Mine is still downloading. All right. Yes, yes, yes. Emelda, right. It will take some time. Yes, that's what I told. The file is almost 2 GB, if I'm not wrong. Sorry, 550 MB, and depending on which version you're using. Okay. Yeah. Please download. Download version is there. You
Which
please. You can see download
I
option
have to,
is there here
I so
below
I can
download.
click download.
Yes, yes, yes. Do that. But
Okay.
best, I would request you can go to Microsoft Store and download it from there, rather Googling or rather. Okay. Shared file in the meeting. All right, all right. Who is doing that? Who is sharing? Wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. I already have installed it. Fantastic. Thank you. Thank
So
you. Leila.
I just can click download to install.
Yes, 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 yes. Meanwhile, you start doing that, and I will give you a brief about the product, what it is and how it is. All right. So My screen is visible to you guys, right? So we'll be covering today the installation part, a brief overview. As already someone have mentioned that it's a visualization tool. It's a most versatile tool. It's a free tool. Till Power BI Desktop is a free tool where you can do a lot of analysis. The best part is data cleaning. The data you have seen, Sheetal was mentioning that when you have a volume of data, then how you deal with, right? So data cleaning is a very important part of today's world, right? Today's job, the major part is data cleaning. Yes, we have generative AI, we have all the AI tools, but still, not all the time AI would analyze or realize that which is the important part of the data, right? So here we have a scenario. We'll do a hands-on. Okay, we'll do a proper hands-on session. We have a data set ready. So I will share you a demo. Also, we'll do a little bit of Power Query, as I mentioned, how data cleaning has to be, happen, data transformation. Then we'll do the load part, how to do the get data. Then we'll also do a DAX, which is data analysis expression, few calculation, not very heavy calculation, but few. And the most important part, the visualization and report creation. All right?
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, are you sharing your screen?
All right. It is not been shared, is it? All right. No worries. No worries. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So as I was mentioning, these are the topics will be covered in this today's session. I'll share you this PPT as well, PDF as well. So okay, what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence platform or whatever the tool you call it, right? So as you can see that most versatile tool, blah blah blah. It gives a lot of users to ingest, combine, share data, model data. What all these? What is model data? What is shared data? What is we talk about Power Query, we talk about Power BI service, all different words, right? Sometimes it may confuse us, but we stick to our tool. So here is the tool. Okay, I'll give you the demo. So as you can see that we can on the left hand side you can see the three different tools. One is the report view, one is the table view, and the other one is the model view. Am I clear? Is it visible, the report view, the table view, and the model view? We have also a newly addition of DAX query view. This is newly addition to the latest Power BI update. I'm sure when you guys are will be installing, you will get to see this latest version. So Power BI being a versatile tool, it every month it gets updates. Isn't it wonderful? Every month it gets update. Okay, just to check which version it is, you go to help, you go to about, and then you can see which version, January 2025. That means in this within a month they got the latest version. So you understand how important tool it is. You There's a survey, out of the all the BI tools, right? Business intelligence tool, the most used tool is Power BI. Or one is it's a Microsoft product. Second is it's a free tool. At least the Power BI desktop version is a free version. The other thing is license fees are very less, even though it is the Power BI service and other things are chargeable. But it's a very cost effective. That's why the tableaus and the click views, the Alteryx are they Power BI is staying ahead, miles ahead from the other competition. All right. So without wasting further time, get data. When you say get data, means you have to bring the data to the system. Okay, we'll go to the file. Where is our file? We go to dashboard building, and I have this data. Okay, so we are uploading the data. Okay, as you can see, we have this data. This data talk about calendar. It talks about location. We'll put the tick mark. Okay, what is the calendar? Calendar talks about one, two, three, the sales data, right? In this particular day, how many sales happen? I'm just giving example from this particular data set. What is the product? We have seen these products, right? Milk bars, 50% dark bite, almond choco, raspberry choco, eclairs, and so on. And then the shipment. Okay, shipment means when you're dispatching, when you're doing the one kind of sending to the other country or other location, that is called shipment. Okay, so we'll go directly transform data. Okay, once you go transform data, when you say it is going to directly Power Query. And Power Query, as you can see, it is looking like this. I know initially when you see, you will find, oh my God, there's so many buttons, so many things. But it is similar to Excel. All the more you can say 70%. In the morning, in the early morning, probably Sheetal have talked about the ribbon. Here is also you have the ribbon. The front portion is called ribbon. Similarly, you have different sections. But as you can see, these are the tables. The tables are uploaded: location, calendar, people, products, shipments. I will explain to you. Before that, I'll just give you a hands-on demo. Then I'll come back to everyone. Is it fine? Just give me 2 to 3 minutes, or at least 5 minutes, so that I can finish the first demo, and then I will explain. Come back to you again, going to your systems. All right?
Do you mean we
Yes.
have a 5-minute break?
No, no. What I'm trying to say is, I will explain. Just give me 5 minutes. Just see what exactly it's happening. It will be looking like movie for you.
Oh,
Yeah, but
okay, okay,
yeah,
yes.
but you will. I will come back to your system and I will explain. Okay. So without further delay, so
Okay.
you put close and apply. All right. Pending changes queries have not been applied. Okay, apply changes. System will take some time. Yes, as you can see, this all this data, all these tables are sitting over here, isn't it? You talk about shipment. I think we have seen that products, the products category, products, everything is there. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me take a chart so that you can understand in better way. Okay, which chart it is. All right, I'll take this one. This is called which chart? This is called which chart? This is called pie chart. Okay, so we'll take say for example, just take example of we'll take values. Okay, maybe we can do one thing. We can do a first step, which is our measurement. Then we'll take a this chart. Okay, so it will be easier for you to understand. I will explain as I mentioned. Just give me 2 minutes time. I'll explain one at a time. So I have added one column called measure, and in the measure, okay, I'll add one another new measure called total sales. Okay, I'll explain these things as I mentioned, but just watch so that you can able to understand. What do you mean by total sales? Okay, can you tell me someone what is the formula of total sales? It is just like Excel. Sum of sum of
Some sales.
Yes, that's right. That's right. It is all about. So sales is total sales is sum of totals, all the sales, all the category sales. Okay. So here I am taking one pie chart just to explain you, and I'm going to this here. I'll talk about values. I'll talk about share total sales. Okay. This is called total sales. Can you see the beautiful green, blue color in your screen?
Yes.
Okay, now you go to products. How many products you have? Can you see this?
A
Beautiful
lot.
colored. Yes. So this is the beauty of it. This is a colored screen. You can see the visualization. I'll explain everything one at a time, but you just take a look. This is kind of visualization we'll talk about. This is so beautiful. You can one look, one view, you can understand. Oh, okay, my product, which product is doing good. Can you able to see? Okay, this is 5%, this is 4%, this is 3%. Okay, little bit congested, but okay, that's fine. At least we can able to see. The CEO can able to see this thing, right? So come back to our case study where we are talking about. Okay, this is
Dat
what.
is privé. Ik heb er nooit gevraagd wat eraan.
Sorry. Okay. So as we were discussing that we would be doing one sales analytics report, right? So the data is what about 13 months data, and this data what we have to calculate or what the CEO is expected is from this is CEO is very interested in Power BI, and she wanted to know a lot of things about Power BI, how she can build a report in Power BI. So just be creative and start with this. So she wanted to know total sales, which we have already done that measure. I'll explain what is measure. And she wanted a total boxes sold in over this particular period. She wanted to know total shipment, total cost, total profit, profit percentage. Also, she has some target like 50 million, and everything has to be seen in one view. This is called report, right? that entire report, which we call it dashboard in regular sense, but we have to create this report. This is the task. This is your manager is asked. If you go for any interview or any Python profile, job profile, or sorry, Power BI job profile, they will ask to create a report first. Okay, how you will create the visualization. So this is your parameter. Now you create your report. All right, come back to again Power BI. Now we have already created our total sales. Which is the total sales? What is the formula of total sales? Total sales equal to
Sum of sales.
The
sum of
sum
sales.
of all sales.
Sum of all sales. And where is this all sales? Where it is? Where it is?
Shipment.
Can you open the, yeah, shipments? Exactly, exactly. In the shipment it is mentioned. Okay, even if you open in your Excel, one second, where is this Excel? Okay, even if you open in your Excel, you will get to see. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so Excel, it is the, if you can see shipment data. In shipment data, what is there? Salesperson, the name of the salesperson, the geography, the product. Guys, please let me know if I'm too fast or even uh, my pronunciations are okay with you guys. Okay, please feel free. Okay, so sales, boxes, date, everything is mentioned here. Then we have something called dimension data. I will explain what is dimension data, and I will show you in a screen also. So this is called the products, this is the category, this is cost per box, and this is the geo or the region. And same goes to all the information like calendar table. It's like per day wise sales. Like all this information is there in the Excel, and I'm loading this thing into our Power BI uh, uh, desktop, right? All right. So, any of I'll just putting a pause here and then understand. Anyone have installed Power BI in their system? Anyone is facing any difficulty?
Mine is still installing.
Okay, okay.
It's at
Increase the
40%.
screen. I don't see. All right, Jennifer. I will try to increase. Yeah, that can
Is
be
it?
possible. Yes, please. No, not possible yet. Means okay. All right. Okay. Everyone have installed uh, this desktop, Power BI desktop. Others?
Mine is still loading.
All right, no problem. It will take some
Same
time.
here.
Same here. Okay, okay. All right. Meanwhile, I'll just start showcasing some of the measure. So measure, and then maybe we can try building a small kind of dashboard, and then maybe uh, we can come to your system and try to analyze. So, what is measure? Now, you understand this is roughly, you understand the actual sheet talking about three different things, right? And five different data, five different tables. One is talking about the calendar, one is talking about the location. All right, somebody is saying this scene is not visible, not much. Is it visible now? I will. Oh no, one second.
Not yet.
Not yet, is it? Okay. Mm, no. Okay. Is it now? I tried, but it is not sharing. But anyways, I will. Is it at least the five table you can able to see, right? The calendar column, the calendar table, the location table, the people table, and the products and the shipments, right? These five things can be visible, right? Now, on this data, on these tables, you have to create some kind of measure, right? So, what is measure? Measure is basically you creating a calculation to achieve one particular expectations, right? Say, for example, you have to, in layman's term, you have to go to school, right? And to go to school, you have to catch a bus. No, to catch a bus, you have to go to the main road, right? To go to the main road, you can say it as a measure, right? So it's a very layman term, but you will understand why we do it measure. Basically, it's a calculation of the table, entire table, how yeah, how the entire thing. I mean, if the putting across and everything is called. Now we have something called calculated column as well. right? I will come to that part and I will explain. I'll come to one more measure, right? So measure, the CEO had asked us to uh, what is that she asked? She asked total boxes. Now, can you please tell me how to calculate total boxes? Total boxes equal to, very easy, sum of,
Sorry, your
All
screen isn't
boxes.
uh,
my screen is not visible. Okay, is it visible now?
Yes.
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 Now,
Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know, something is happening. Okay. All right. So as I was mentioning, these are the five tables, right? Calendar, location, people, product, shipments. Now I'm talking about the measure. Measure, what is measure, and what is the total boxes. Our CEO, she is looking for this particular report. Particular, report should to be visible, and we need to create this. All the charts. How to do that? Now total boxes, right? Total boxes, how to calculate total boxes? Somebody have mentioned rightly, sum of.
Boxes.
Boxes.
Oh yes, absolutely, it's
But
very
I
easy.
do, sorry, I do have a question.
Mhm.
How do you get to this screen to fill in the total boxes formula? The measure.
Okay, the measure, how you'll get it, wonderful.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll start again. Okay, so I'll start again. I'll delete this measure. Okay, I'll delete this from the delete from the model. Okay, you delete from the model. You can you able to see? Okay, this is how it is when you create. Okay, this is a report view. This is your blank screen, right? This is your entirely blank screen. You have to create, this is called report view. Okay, all the reports, all these things have visible, I mean, we have to create here. Now here, when you go to this location, and here we create for a new measure. When we go here and when we have to create a measure, it will automatically will show. Okay, create a measure. Is it fine? Is it visible?
So the measure is a standard option in the
Oh yes,
eh,
it's there. It's
uh,
there in the report view, and especially when you go to column, and they will ask for it.
okay,
Measure,
okay.
new measure. So it is new measure. Probably if you start installing the Power BI desktop, we can go to your system and we can tell it to you how it's. Okay. So total boxes. Okay, total boxes is equal to. Come on, guys. I need everyone to answer. It's a very basic thing. Sum of. So how you write this is called a syntax. I think in our previous class, Ishita was mentioning how to write syntax. This is the simple syntax. Okay, so sum, when it come, you can see the function sum, fx sub function come, and you put tab. When you put tab button, it will open up a lot of options. What exactly? Sum of what? Sum of the calendar date, sum of the location, sum of the people. Of course, it is talking about boxes. Then it should be boxes, right? Now boxes. When you put boxes, what kind of boxes you are getting? Product cost per box. Okay, it is not very. It is not feasible. One second. I don't know why it is not. Getting bigger, but anyways, when you talk about exactly cost per box, obviously this is not cost per box, this is shipment boxes. So once it is coming there, and you close the bracket, okay, and automatically you put commit. There is a button called commit. As you can see, it will put commit, right click, that is called, and the commit. Automatically you will see total boxes. Guys, I'll just create one or two measures more so that you can understand, and then we can create. Okay, now what is the next question? What exactly total shipment? Can you tell me total shipment, how to calculate? This time I want to hear from you guys.
Total shipment is sum.
Okay, sum of what? Is it sum of boxes? Is it sum of dates? Is it sum of geography? Sum of product? Salesperson? What is it?
What's the question again?
So here we have a question named total shipment. Our CEO, she wanted to know what is the total shipment so far. All right. And how do we calculate shipment, total shipment?
Is something do we will we do it
Box.
with count?
I think
Oh,
count also.
yes. Yes, yes, yes. Who is it? I wanted to give a high five to you. Very well said. Very well said. Who is it?
For the count?
Yeah, mid jump, right? Mid jump, right? Well
Yes.
said. Yes, exactly. So, okay, where it is? New measure, and it is talking about total shipment is basically your count, but count of what? Count of rows, isn't it? All the rows are coming to one shipment, right? Total shipment in terms of. So you can put it count rows shipment, and it will come as this measure. All right, we are doing good. Yes, no? Is it tough?
Interesting.
Interesting. All right, great. We'll come to total cost. Before than that, let's make a graph and understand. Let's play around because when we talk about Power BI is all visualization, isn't it? So here we were doing something, right? So we understand our, okay, we'll take a different kind of chart now. We'll take a chart of donut chart, right? Donut chart. It is all about values. Values is always total sales, right? Total sales is this one. And maybe we can go to little details that can be your location, geolocation, or maybe we can go to region. Can you see the
Sorry,
region?
I have a question. A question
Uh,
regarding measures. Is there a specific reason to choose measures? Because in the, what do you call it, the build, when you choose a column, you can also choose the sum of a certain.
yes, you can, but yeah. So there are two things. I didn't get your name. So there are two things.
No.
One is called explicit measure. One is called implicit measure, right? So explicit measure is something which is you calculate, and something implicit is already it's there inbuilt, right? When you have a data, it is inbuilt data. Sometimes the implicit measures are not accurate. They have a lot of you do a lot of mistakes when you do calculate. Say sometimes it will give a lot of errors, right? So better you calculate that measure with some.
Ah, yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
All right. Yes, yes. I hope you got my point, right?
Yep.
Okay, okay. All right. So now we have been asked to create total cost. Okay, total cost. Okay, total cost. It has been told, and as you can see, the data talks about salesperson. It talks about geography, product. Even somewhere we got to see to cost per box is there, but total cost or like the way you calculated like the sales, right? It is not there. Cost per box is there. Okay, cost per box is there, but you cost per box is not taken it as the total box because you have to do a multiplication of the exact numbers, right? So how do you calculate total cost? Any uh, maybe you can try attempt for it. Anyone, any guesses how to calculate cost?
Total cost is calculate.
Yeah, total cost is calculated. Yes, yes, yes. You are near to the uh, you know destiny. But yes, I will tell you one
I
thing.
I think you have to multiply your boxes sold
Yes, 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 yes.
with the
Absolutely.
type of box that is sold.
Yes, absolutely. When you are calculating cost per box, you have to take the total cost, right? You have to put a calculation. So how do you do that? Can you tell me how do you do that? So if we go our table, So this is called the table. And if you go to our table, say for example, product is, this is our table view, by the way, guys. So table view is talking about the product, it's talking about the category, it's talking about the cost per box. Now, how do you come to total cost?
Is it sales multiplied by boxes?
Yeah, that is a good idea. But how do you do that? Okay, I'll just take. So here you need to create one column, isn't it? Because you have to calculate per boxes into cost per box. Correct. Sales is different. Sales is entirely different. We're talking about the cost. Suppose you are building a product. I mean, it can be anything. You are creating building a product, and you may your cost is 80 rupees, and you're selling it 100 rupees. So you understand, right? The 20 rupees is your margin, your profit. So sales is different, cost is different. Correct. Please give
Yes.
me a cheer. It's like
Clear? Yes, clear.
okay, okay. All
Yes.
right. So cost is equal to related. Why related? Because here we had to relate the column. Okay, relate the column from per cost per box, product per box. That relation have to bring into what? Guys, can you tell me into what?
Boxes.
Yes,
Yeah.
boxes. Now boxes, where you'll get boxes? Shipment boxes.
Yeah.
All right. It's already there. Shall I go for commit? This is the commit button. Okay.
Is that a plus sign between? Is that a
This
plus
one?
sign? Yeah.
No, it is into multiplication. This is the
Oh, okay.
star.
Yeah.
8. In your keyboard, it is 8. Because
Yes.
we're talking about multiplication, right? We're talking about the total cost. We're talking about the cost. Right? So it is basically boxes into the cost per box. Clear? All right. Now, shall we go for the measure? Please tell me now this time how to create a measure.
Could you
You
please
can.
repeat it? 'Cause I'm getting false as answer.
All right, no problem. I'll repeat it. I'm going to, these are three things as it report view, table view, and model view. We have not exposed yet model view. Will come because this is a lot of things are there. All the relation and everything coming over here. Yes, I'll come to your point. Now, okay. So we got this data. We got this data set. Now we have to calculate cost, total cost, but we do not have the directly all the information. Say for example, you are the CEO of your own company, and you are building a product. That product, maybe the per boxes or per particular smaller item, you have that information. You know the per boxes, how many boxes you are creating it, but you don't know the total overall cost per product wise. So as you can see, the product is almond choco, or the
Mhm.
total cost, it is into that particular boxes. So 30 boxes into cost per box. Clear? That is coming your cost. This is the cost for each row wise calculation. Each row, this is the cost. So this is called new calculate, in the column, new column. So calculate column. Here we'll put all the costs. Now how it looks like, I'll just share my screen again. I mean with this thing. Is it okay? We have not done yet. Okay. So what is the total cost formula now? Total cost. As you can see, we need to write our measure like this way. Total cost is equal to sum of sum of sum of. Now we have the
Ship,
shipment cost. Yeah, we
shipment
have
Yes.
the,
cost, yes.
yes,
Yes.
yes. Now we have the cost, right? So we got the cost now.
Yes.
All right. Now can we calculate how to, okay, what is the next question? Is he asking for total profit? Now can we calculate total profit? Please, you have to say this answer. How to calculate total profit?
The difference between your sales and costs per product.
Absolutely, absolutely. The total cost, total profit we're talking about. We're not talking about individual product wise. We'll come to that point. But yes, as you rightly mentioned, create a new measure. How to create new measure? Someone have asked me. You can go directly from the report view, or you can go to this particular, all the new measure, and from there it will ask for right click, and it will come for another measure, right? Right click, and new measure, you can get to see new measure. So what is our new measure is total profit is equal to, please guys, total guys equal to, total profit is equal to,
The total profit is
yes,
Total
yes,
sales minus
yes,
total cost.
wonderful, wonderful, you guys are amazing. Okay, total cost, total sales minus total cost. Now we have the cost, right? Now it is easy to calculate total profit. Okay, are we good? Please do let me know. I will put a pause, and again I'll come back to each of your system, and I'll try to do that. But let me finish this five measure at least. We are good with five measures so that we can create the we can start creating the report or dashboard, whatever you call. Actually, dashboard is not the word, but report is the word. All right. So let's create a theme. Okay. When you go to the view, and you can see there are different themes. Okay. Themes like, this is the theme. One is called accessible themes, Power BI themes. There are different kind of variety of themes available. We'll take a basic theme. Okay. This is the one theme. Now we will start taking different kind of chart. These are the called chart. Chart is the different kind of 27, 28 charts are available for Microsoft desktop, but Power BI desktop. But there are a lot of other tools, other charts are also available. You have to go online and you have to download it. But whatever we have currently, we'll take one chart at a time. This is a chart named card new. We'll take this one. This looks fine. So we'll start adding all the measures over here. Okay. So we'll start with total sales. We'll put total sales. Is it visible now? Now, guys, be very careful. We talk about total sales. Now, sales is what? Sales is what? Sales is currency. Sales is the general format. It is there. We have to change the format. It is a currency, isn't it? It is the dollar. You can see the different kind of icons are there. You can check. It is euro is there. Chinese currency is there. All the currencies are there. Okay. I don't know whether Suriname currency is there. What do you have? Suriname is what currency you use?
Suriname dollar.
Suriname dollar. Okay.
SRB.
ASRT. I don't know whether it is there or not, but Dutch is there. All kind of is there. You can probably check at your leisure. Uh, for this, you have to create. You can see there's a data. There's a build. Build is talking about the chart, and the data is talking about this is the data. So I will go and refine it a bit so that it looks good to me, and it makes more sense, because as you can see it is talking about total sales, but finishing is yet to, I mean, probably we can create add some more information. So we can use title is total sales. We can add here our title is total sales. Okay, then maybe we can go a bit and try using different color, subtitle, divider. A lot of things are there. You can play around. Call out is very important. Call out is talking about this particular insight, what you're putting it. So this, you can make it little smaller, little bigger, however you want to make the report. Okay, one more thing, very important thing. Whenever you're creating a measure, you can put currency or whatever format it is. You have to put auto, or you can put two decimal. Otherwise, it may continuing for a very long this thing, it may not look good as well. As a card, it should be looking nice, so it should be like this. And you may go here, and maybe you can, we wanted to change a little bit, you can change. There are a lot of options are available, as you can say, more options. Maybe the search button also there, you wanted to take a rounded corner so that it looks visual border, it looks good for you. Maybe you can put 15 or 17. Okay, so it is looking little decent, isn't it? You can change up to your this thing. Now what next we have to do? Next we have to do is copy this visual, control C and control V. We are excellent in copy and pasting, isn't it? So copy and pasting, control C, control V. Okay, so you can get all the similar kind of cards, and you can start putting it in the visuals. You can put it all the measures. So total sales is done. Next is total cost. You can put total cost. Total cost, when you say, it is also in the general format. You have to put in currency, you have to put in
Yes.
two, yes, so that it can be looking nice. And 1 second, yeah, it is still auto mode. Put enter, and it will be so. So guys, total sales is talking about 34 million. Total, you have to change total cost. Here it is total cost, so you have to change this one as total cost. Okay, now next we would be doing what? Next is what we calculated. Profit. Shall we share profit? We'll do profit, total profit. Again, we have to go to format, we put currency and then put 2 so that it can look nice and beautiful. All right, and then what measure we can take? Maybe we can take total shipment also. Okay, control C, control V, very simple, no complication. Okay, you have to see when you're reporting, building a report, it has to be neat and clear. It should look good. Otherwise your CEO may say that, okay, this report is not very neat and clean. All right, we need to change here as well. We need to put, I'll just quickly finish, then I'll go to everyone. I'll ask everyone to share their screen. Okay, and you have to do that. These are the very basic one. We'll start, and then obviously we'll go for further deep down other formulas on measure and everything. All right. So the last one, what should I take? Should I take a total box? Please, guys, respond. Total box, make
Yes,
sense?
total box. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So we are building our report slowly. It will be, it's now in the shaping. As you can see that on butterfly, moth to butterfly, how it comes. It will be initially very basic, then it will come, on a beautiful shape. Okay. So total, what is that? Total boxes. Make sense? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I have
Now,
a question.
yes, please.
Um, in the report view, this one,
Mm-hmm.
are you
Mm-hmm.
able to delete the measure names out of the how do you say it? The
You mean to say here? So report
yes,
view is here. You
because
can
it's
delete.
so it's doubles total sales,
Uh-huh.
so you
Correct.
can delete one. Are you able to delete the measure name? So total underscore sales.
Yes, you can change. You mean to say the change the name, right?
No, not to change how to delete it from the view of the report.
This
Do you
one?
understand?
Okay, how to
Yeah,
delete from the report. Ah, I got it. I got
yeah,
it now. Can
yeah.
you see this when you go to here? You can see when you hovering around, you can see there's a three button will come in between. You go click here and you can remove. Done.
No, but I mean only to remove the name total underscore sales.
Only to remove the name. You mean to say
Yeah,
that you want to delete the measure from the model, data model?
no, only to this the 34 million can stay only to delete the name total. Yes, that.
This one to be removed.
Uh,
Yeah, this one also can be removed because this is a theme you have chosen, right? So
mm,
there are different kind of themes are there, right? As you can see, if I choose a theme like this, there may not be this thing can be visible. Okay.
okay.
But you are right actually. Is the total sales top is also there, down is also there. Yeah, you can it is up to you. You can put it
Okay.
how you want to see, showcase yourself to the in front of your management.
Okay, and I have another question. You can't, so in the when you choose a name for your measure, you cannot
Mhm.
use the space. You always use in underscore.
Good question. Very good questions. See, I would recommend to put don't put blank. I mean, to use underscore or something because number one, it looks you because you will be why you are creating measure because to do lot many calculations. This is just a beginning of it, right? From total boxes, you will be calculating how many boxes you are selling per day per product. You will be coming to various different calculations. So if it is you're putting underscore boxes, it is closing together. But if you put some other terms, if you put a blank, then it will be more chaotic, I would say. So in order to make it more clean for your calculation purpose, you put underscore. If you put blank, sometimes functions also take it in a different function, so better to use it underscore.
Okay, yes.
Okay, these are the best practices. You can use it, but it's up to you. I mean, you can use other thing also because you're basic. So similarly, I would say that why I create a separate table for measure, right? It is not required. But what happens is whenever you're creating a measure, measure may go to different tables, right? Sometimes it go to sitting in the calendar. Sometimes it go to people table. It will look very chaotic. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So quickly, I will take one or two chart, then maybe come to you. This is one exercise I would do all the time. Maybe I would take a tree map. Tree map is talking about different kind of products and different kind of sales. Okay, it's very simple. So values again go to any of the values, anything will go to total sales or total profit, whatever it is you wanted to calculate. And the category maybe you may take maybe details you may take as a product. Okay, so whichever is product is you are using. Again, you can the similar way you can change it. Maybe you can search for a rounded corners. Background is on visual corner, rounded corner. 17, right? It was so you can create a similar 17, and here you can put a region wise this thing. Here also we put rounded corners and it will be like this. Okay, so here we'll be talk about sales. Okay, so suppose this is all the pages the way you have excel, you have that sheet. Similar way you can you have the if you want to duplicate, you want duplicate, and you want exactly as it is, it will be there in the next page. So you can create, you talk about shipment, so in the next page you talk about shipment, so it will be as it is. Maybe we can do a little bit changes, but I'll pause here. We have a lot of things, a lot of calculations, as I mentioned. This entire would be having almost 50 to 60 calculations, measures overall this data set. But I'll put a stop here and I will go to each one of you, how far you have reached. Have you able to do it anything of your own, or you are struggling? But you can please share your screen. Okay, with this I will stopping by share. Yes, please.
Yes, can I share my screen because I cannot
Yes.
load in the data?
All right, no problem. Go ahead.
Uh, I think this screen. Do you see my screen?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, when I try to load in the data,
Yes. All right. Yeah.
and I
All the
choose the
five table.
yes,
Yes. Not the
the
not the
five.
sheet. All the five table. Yes. You can directly. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You can directly
Okay,
go to load. Yeah. There are two things, guys. I will explain. But for time transform is again go to Power Query. Power Query will come back to you. But this is directly load. Okay. What is that?
this this is the error I get.
Okay. This is what it is. I didn't get that. Something is showing engine error or something, right? Desktop, oh, okay. Do one thing, guys. Please, you please uninstall this Power BI desktop and again reinstall. I think some certified expand. Okay, yeah, extension something is there. Sometimes it happens. Yeah, no worries. You can please uninstall and then again reinstall. Then I think it will
Uh,
solve the problem.
The Power BI desktop, you mean?
Power BI desktop. Yes.
Okay, I will do that. Thank you.
Yes. Anyone else would like to share? Raymond, yes?
No, it's
No?
okay. I had some issue with this page, so I need to clean this up, but I can follow clearly what's going on.
All right, fantastic. Anyone else?
Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Probably I just installed. So
Yeah, please go ahead. Mm-hmm. Can you please share your full screen? I don't know, some. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Navigator. Okay, I got it. Yeah, you click it. Get data. Yeah, there are a lot of connectors. We call it as connectors. There are different kind of connectors. Just to tell it to you, we Excel, any of the connectors. I mean, Power BI is the most easiest tool. They have multiple connectors. There are almost 400 plus connectors, if I know correctly.
what should I do now?
You click all the five
Mm-hmm.
table, top five table, one, two, top five. Yeah, yeah. Why five? You understood, right? Because the other three is the sheet, okay, the Excel sheet. But these five are the table. That's what you are bringing the tables to the Power BI for
Okay.
calculations. Yes. Load.
So I can load.
Yes. Yeah, it will take some time. It will take some time. Once it is there, then it will sit on the data side. You can you see the data next to the visualization tab? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it is already done. Yeah, you are good to go.
Okay.
Now you create one measure table. Just create a simple table and then start creating measures.
Okay. Um, where can I do that?
Okay, you go to the report view. Can you able to see the report view?
Is it on the left side?
No, on the report view, they're exactly the middle, wherever you are right now. Just go to there, just go there, and you can see.
Mm-hmm.
Just get an add data. This will be a button would be there. Enter data button.
Um,
You create enter data, just to create your
where is
measures.
that?
What I'm trying to say is, yeah. Can you see that there is a button called enter data next to your SQL next to SQL
Okay.
enter data? Yeah. This is just why we are doing it. Please understand. This is for just creating all the measures in one particular table. Otherwise, it will look very messy. Okay? Yeah, remove that table word and put underscore. Underscore whenever you put, it will come on the top. So it will be easier for you to do the calculation. Not there, madam. You go down. Not there.
Okay.
Down the
Yes,
name.
done.
Name.
Mhm.
Yeah. There you need to
Input.
put underscore. Underscore. Not input. Underscore.
No, underscore measure
Measure. MEASURE.
as a
Uh,
table name.
yeah, it's a table name. Why we are doing it, please understand, because we don't want to mess around with all the data, because we'll be creating 50 plus measures. And if all the measures are sitting in different tables, it will be very chaotic to work with. Yeah, load. All right. Yes. Now you go to that measure table. All right. Yeah, we'll go slow. No problem. Yes. Go to that table, measure table. Go to that. Yeah, you were right. You were right. You were going there. Yes, very much. Yeah. Just, yes, exactly. Just, no. Don't have to create anything. Don't have to click anything. Please,
Okay.
yeah, uncheck. Yeah. Go to next to the, one second. Hang on. Next to the, there's a, you mentioned column, right? There's a three button would be there next to column. No, you go, yeah, yeah, go top, go top. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Right click, new measure. Can you see new measure? Right click, your, yes, exactly.
Is
Total.
is this the same question? Is this the same as in the ribbon field column beside quick measure
One second.
above?
Let me finish with her. I'll just,
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, yeah, madam. Please write total sales equal to total underscore sales equal to. No, no. You delete everything. That measure part you delete. Measure name is total sales.
Yeah.
Total underscore sales is equal to sum sum. Yeah, exactly. The first one. Can you see the first one? The tab
Yes.
button. Yeah. Do the tab button. Tab. Yes, fantastic. Great going. Now I have to put sales. Just try sales. Just try typing sales. Yes, yes. Just write sales. You will get shipment sales. Now I have to put shipment sales. Sorry, I couldn't able to see your script much. This is little. Shipment sales would be there. That you have to. And bracket close, please. Did you put shipment sales?
Yes.
Okay, enter. You see commit button is there. There's one tick button is there. Commit.
This. Yes.
Tick. Yeah, exactly. Commit. That means commit. Yeah. Do the commit. If you are wrong, then it will show a cancel button or something. It is not, the measure is not right. The formula, the syntax is not right.
Okay.
So put that. It is visible. Okay. Total sales. Have you made it? Total sales.
Yes.
Go to total sales measure. Can you put that currencies? Yeah, yeah. Exactly. One second. Hang on. Yeah, hang on. Currency. You can change it. Put a dollar currency. Once you put dollar
Um.
currency, top general, you can see top currency. Dollar sign is there. Yes,
Yes.
yes. Put, click there. No, no, just click there. Dollar sign. No, no. Go
So
to. No, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. One second. Go back to measure again. No, no, no. Don't go back there. Go to your total sales. New measure that you created. Click
this
there.
right?
Click there. Click there. Total sales. Click. Total sale. Click. Yes. Now go to above. Now go to dollar sign. Can you see the dollar sign?
Here.
Yes, dollar sign. Click it, dollar sign. Click dollar sign. No, click it.
Yes. I clicked it.
Congratulations. Yes, congratulations. You have done your first measure.
Okay.
All right. So this way you have to do the other calculation, the other measures.
Okay.
Total sales,
Yes.
total cost. Total cost, please remember, cost we have to calculate from the this thing. Anyways, the
Thank
recording would
you.
be there. You can check it. Okay. Anybody else? Yeah. Yes. You were asking some questions, right? I didn't get your name.
Yes,
Yeah. Please go.
Raymond.
Name.
I asked whether the new measure in the ribbon is the
Okay.
same as from the three uh,
The previous.
dots. Yes.
Oh, Dutch. Yeah. Can you share your screen? Janelia, you can stop
Okay. I
sharing. Yeah, I'll
I
I'll just
wasn't
check.
able to install due to
Oh, okay.
disk space,
Okay.
but
Okay.
I'm not so familiar with Power
Hmm.
BI.
Hmm.
No,
Hmm.
as an end user, well, but not as a kind of setting up
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
report.
So yeah.
So I saw the new measure in the ribbon and wonder whether it was the same as with the three
No,
buttons, the
it's
three dots.
three dots. Okay. Yeah. So it's a very valid question, Raymond. So during the installation, I would see there is an option called English, right? So you can change it to Dutch, okay, or whichever language you want. It will show. You can change it because when you are creating dark theme, it will ask for any changes. So you can change it from English to any other language. So as you can see, there is different kind of options are there. So in option, you can change the language to uh, different. Let me just try it. It's a very valid question, and let me just try doing it. I haven't changed to any other language because I don't know any other language apart from English. So to say in this Power BI, but definitely I think we can do a little research and we can find it out. There should be option called language and Dutch. I think that option should be there. Okay. Any other questions?
No questions.
Okay. All right, Nikolai.
I have one question.
Yes, yes, Rajita, please. Go.
Um, shall we receive by the end of this training, I mean today or tomorrow, uh, uh, a stencil with or a link with a book or some notes because it is too fast for now. I can't
Yeah.
follow for now.
Right, right, right.
So I
Yeah.
I just looking at my screen, but
Mhm.
I
Yeah,
can
it
not
is.
tell what I have learned out of
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. All right, all right. I totally understand. So what we'll do is, at least from my end, I'll share some PPT. Okay, this PPT is not any different thing. It is talking about the basic of the presentation, what is Power BI and what exactly we wanted to achieve here. But maybe end of the entire 2 days, we can share some kind of tutorial where you can do a lot of these things. But best part, you wanted to learn.
Yes.
You wanted to learn Power BI. By the way, this is our website. I will take you through our website. What are the courses we do on Power BI? Dashboard building. We do proper dashboard building where we do, day in, day out. But talking about your question on learning of your own, best thing is learn.microsoft.com. Here, the documentations are so perfect that even if all the updates, even they are any updates, you will get to know. Say, for example, what is Power BI Desktop? They'll give in a lot of information with the pictorial content. Everything would be mentioned here. So, guys, if you wanted to learn, see, we talk about the report view, we talk about the table view, model view. We need to do it. That entire thing is pending on the model, the relationship. I'll come to this part again. Very important, very crucial. Any report, any chart, if you are creating it without model view, you will not able to achieve because all the relations will be coming in. So to answer in your, in short, this is the link you can refer. Having said that, we also send you some kind of PPT or some kind of books to refer with. Make sense, guys? I
Yes.
need a cheer. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
all right.
Yes.
I hope.
Uh, yes. So by the end, we will receive some tutorials.
Some tutorials, yes, we can able to share, but after the completion of the courses, we'll share this week, maybe
Okay.
coming week
And this link here is for,
for Power BI.
and the
You go to
dashboard is
dashboard.
this document
This document is for
is
Power
some
BI
information.
for information. Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
And this link is to install Power BI.
This link is for learning Power BI. So
Oh,
maybe
learning.
yeah,
Yes, yes.
so maybe I will share you this link. Maybe you can. It will be very easy. All the documentation and everything is fantastic with Microsoft. Anything you want to learn, you can go and learn from here. Also, Power BI comes with a certification. Power BI also have the certification called PL 300. If one of you are interested to getting certification, you can refer this particular website. There is it is called PL 300. Okay, PL 300. You can refer all these. The the certifications, how it happens, what are the pros and cons. There are a lot of documentation and everything is mentioned here. This is the tool I would recommend. I mean, this is the tutorial, or one particular place where you'll get to know anything about Microsoft product, which is learn.microsoft.com. Any further questions?
I just follow your instruction. I'm finished with my report. Can I just share it with you or with the team?
Yes, yes, please, you can share. You are sharing now.
Yes.
Okay, please. Wonderful,
Yes.
beautiful, beautiful.
And I
Yes.
created some options. So Yes.
Yes,
I
yes. Are you
selected
using Power BI from long time, or this is the first time?
3 4 months.
Okay, thank you.
So I yes.
Fair enough. Fair enough. This is very good. I think you are good to go. You are going to be the next intermediate level. I will. We will start with the other calculations. Fantastic.
Okay.
This looks good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Anyone else would like to share, like Nikolai have shared?
I would like to ask a question. To be
Mm-hmm.
prepared for tomorrow, are we
Mm-hmm.
going to get the recordings today? Or
We would be not today. Recordings would be there in YouTube channel. Let me see. Maybe we can try to do it by at the most tomorrow. Say for example, we'll try to do it by tomorrow early morning because here it is almost 10 p.m. In the evening. Yeah, but yes, we'll try to upload it in the YouTube channel so that you can able to see.
okay, and if you have some time, can you please go over the first or the second one?
Okay.
If there is any time left. Together.
Yes, yes, of course. We will not leave you behind. We'll go together. Which one you wanted to know?
The first one, and then when you are busy, I will do the steps also.
Okay, yeah, you wanted to share your screen. Better you share your screen so that it can be a good practice. Yes, go ahead, guys. You can join our WhatsApp group also, Power BI WhatsApp group. We will be communicating with you over there as well. So any questions, anything, we can able to take it up.
Is there a link? Is there a link for the WhatsApp
Yeah,
group?
it's in the chat. It's in the chat box. You can do that. Yeah, it's there.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Also, you can join the Python group as well. That is would be a good place to understand and learn.
So by the end, will you place the links in the WhatsApp group for the tutorials?
Tutorials, as I mentioned, learn.microsoft.com would be the best tutorial if you wanted to learn by yourself. Also, we would be sharing some kind of recordings as well as few of our uh, PPTs, right? So PDF format that can be shared, but not this week. Coming week. Okay.
Once again, please.
Yes. Yes, and also you can probably fill our Google Forms, Google review feedback, and also you can subscribe to our all the social media channels, be it LinkedIn, be it YouTube. YouTube you must because you'll get to see, and also please share your feedback, honest feedback, review what we are looking for. We are putting our effort. We would like to hear how's your view on our delivery. That is more important for us.
Quick question. How can I enable the measures on the right side of
Under the
on
right
Power BI? Yes.
can you come again?
For
I
example, measures, the measures, the data, this
You'd like
the
to share your
time.
screen, Mitchum? It's all right. It's all right. We'll not, as I mentioned, that we'll go together. We'll not leave you. We'll go together. We'll go rather slow, foundation, intermediate, and then the advanced. It's fine. Mm-hmm. All right. You have done. Uh, okay. So your
Yes,
question.
but you note that we must do it with a table, right?
Yes, yes, yes. This is the guys. See, this is one of the thing what I was mentioning. It. We tend to start doing measures, but sometimes measures come in between the tables, and that becomes very chaotic. Isn't it, Mitchum, chaotic? Isn't it difficulty for you to finding out? all the measures from different tables?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what you
So
should
can
do?
I put it again to
No,
table or something?
yeah, you delete all the measures that you create. How many measures you have created so far?
Uh, Two measures.
Yeah, delete it. No problem. Total boxes, total sales, right? Delete. Guys, one very important thing I will touch upon and I'll close it today. That is model view. Okay, that I have to do it, because without that, again I'm repeating that without that, the chart and whatever the reports you are building are not fruitful. It will show error because we have to build the relationship. Okay.
So
Okay.
I have a
Enter
question.
data. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. 1 second. Let me finish with Mirjam first. Mirjam, go to enter data.
Here.
Go to home first. Can you see enter data somewhere? I am not able to see your no enter
Here.
data.
Enter
Yeah,
data.
yeah, yeah.
Yes. Ah.
And there
Okay.
you can see down there is more table is there, right? No, down table. Change, put it as underscore measure underscore. You put measure, then it will come down. Aim starts pretty below, right? So put underscore will come on the top. Underscore the starting of the name. Underscore measure, load. Underscore, you put underscore. I didn't see that underscore.
Oh yes. Yes. I put
Okay, okay,
underscore.
okay. And now I can able to see it on the top of it.
Yes.
Okay, guys, one more thing. Yeah, yeah. Click there. Yeah, new measure. You can create a lot of new measures, right? You can start creating. Okay, you good?
Yes. But in your presentation, I saw that on the right side here, you had
The
how do you
build
call it?
buttons. Yeah,
Shortcuts.
shortcuts. The build buttons. That is called the build buttons. That will come when you create the chart.
Ah.
Without
Okay.
chart, that will not come. Data and then the build. Build will come once you create the chart. Okay, you try it. This is very nice and very interesting tool. You will get to see a lot many things. Okay. Yeah, somebody is asking some other questions. Mijam, you can stop sharing your screen. You try it, practicing it. If you find any difficulty, please feel free to reach out. Somebody was asking some question. Please feel free.
I
Otherwise,
was
I will.
asking
Mhm.
about what she did wrong. Like I didn't understand the point you were making about
Mhm.
where she created the measures.
Okay. Uh,
Like
I didn't get that. Can you come again? Why
you
we
you
create
said
measure?
she needed to she said she needed to create another table or something, and she created the measures in the table she imported.
Uh, Okay, all right.
Okay.
In that case, can you open the PDF file? Because what we have to do is our CEO, she had asked to create a report for us, right? So our intention is to creating a report. Once you to create the report, to our goal is to create a report. To create the report, we have to achieve some calculations. We have to do some calculations. You think this way. I have given you one layman example, right? To go to school, you go to catch hold of a bus. To go catch hold of a bus, you have to go to main road, right? Not all the roads are having the buses connectivity. So to going to the main road, you can consider creating a measure. Okay. So always remember, measure is just a calculation. It is just sitting on the top of the entire data. You can tweak it. Once you say now you got total sales, now you will be creating monthly sales, now you'll be creating daily sales also. You will be bifurcating, bisecting into a different product category also. So daily sales of, say for example, eclairs chocolate. What will be the daily sales for eclairs chocolate? Based on all the calculations, all the things, you will come up with the different data, right? So that is the purpose. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, all right.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, Pinas, Rivaldo. Please share. I'll just take 2 to 3 minutes for model view. That will take 2 to 3 minutes. Please, I'm seeing that most of you guys are leaving one at a time. So please do not. There is one portion is very important portion, that is model view. We have to connect. We have to build a relationship. That is. Rivaldo, you are going to share.
Yes, a minute.
Mhm. Okay. We'll quickly. Anybody else is having any questions? Otherwise, we'll start doing the next one. Okay. All right, Rivaldo. It's I can able to see your screen. Please go ahead.
Yes, this is my screen.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I have created a measure on my
Now I can see total sales, right?
yes, total sale.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So maybe you can start creating the other measure, um, total boxes. Now, how we calculated total cost, then total profit, and then maybe you can also do the total shipment. Total shipment is, as we discussed, count rows. Why count rows? Because total shipment we have to count the rows, not like, because we do not have the calculation, right? Total shipment how you calculate. There is no option of putting sum of. Rather put count rows, so that that function will give you the result.
But
Okay.
All right.
there's no real issue with this one because he didn't name it underscore measure, but it's no big issue, right?
Sorry. Which one?
Yeah, he didn't name his table underscore measure, but it's
No, no,
no
nothing,
big
nothing.
issue,
It is
right?
for your
Yeah.
reference. It is for purely your
Yes.
reference. Sometimes functions, right? You when you will be using multiple, as I told, multiple measures when
Yes.
you will be using it, then later on it may give you. It might be finding you
Uh,
difficulty. Yeah.
but still, one remark. Earlier, you said that it would be good to have an underscore between total and sales instead of a space.
Mm-hmm.
And in
Yes.
his measure, he didn't. He just
No, no,
he
it is
just
it
said,
is up to them. But as I mentioned, it is easier for you. You can create it. How many gaps you want to do it? Because more gaps you will
yeah.
create it, that half of the portion would not be seen. The total sales, then
Okay.
you'll put the total product sales. This product sales, total. Say for example, total eclair sales, total eclair other name product name would be coming in between. So you cannot able to
Okay.
visible that far. So it is easier for us to.
Okay.
But it
Good.
is up to you absolutely. Okay. Anything, Rivaldo, you want to? Yeah, this is the AI chart. We'll come to you. Come back to this. How to create chart with the use of AI? Because if I tell now only, we'll start creating with the use of AI. You will start building the chart. Then you will say that what is the use of putting so much of effort. But let me tell it to you that not all the time these charts are actually correct. There are a lot of time. Many times there are different errors with the use of AI. So we have to understand first and then go it. All right, I would take a couple of minutes. Let me share my screen and back again. Okay, so we come to this part which is called model view. So the thing is, you will try to understand that, as you have seen that most of the information are there in the shipment table, right? You talk about the boxes, you talk about the cost, you talk about the geography, all things are majorly are in the shipment table. So this is your fact table, guys. Can you please tell me what is this? This is called, the shipment is your fact table. Yeah. fact table. Now here in Power BI we do star schema. We follow star schema. We store it as a star schema. So what is star schema? It will look like a star. So in the middle it should be the fact table, and surrounding there should be the other tables, which is called dimension table, dim table, right? So I'll share you one picture so that you can understand. Before than that, you have to build relationship with all the tables. Okay, we'll have to build a relationship. Say for example, product table and shipment table. Can you see shipment table and how it is connected? It is connected with the product. So product with product. Now people with salespeople, salesperson with salesperson in the shipment. It is getting this thing connected, right? If it is not connected, then that means it is not there. Where is connected? No, it is not connected. So we have to connect this one, and the date table need to be connected here. When you connect date table, it has to be one part. So if you can see, it is connected with the date, and then again geography. You have to connect with the geography. This way you have to connect. You have to take this table and you have to put it there, and you have to put okay geography one single filter, and then put save. So as you can see, this is how it is connected: one geography versus geography, and then table date versus date, product to product, and then here salesperson to salesperson. Where it is salesperson, it is not showing. Yeah, here it is. So as you can see, this looks like a complete star. I think it is visible, guys. I need a chair from you guys. Can it be? Is it looking like a? Isn't it looking like a star in between the fact and then the dim table, right? So I will share one another file. So the star schema. It is called star schema, and it is looking like this. In between, it is fact table, and others will be dim table. Why all the things are connected? Because all the informations are connected with the fact table. So you will ask which is the fact table, which is the dimension table. So fact tables, sorry, fact tables are those where you have all the information, everything will be there, right? Okay, so with that note, I'm concluding today's session. So what we covered today, if you open that PDF, so we covered today what is Power BI, what is the overview of Power BI, installation part. We started with one data set. Power Query is still pending. We'll discuss on that tomorrow. Data cleaning part also will do. We started with DAX. We started with data load, and we started with the visualization. Okay, so this is how we'll go. We'll go very slow, but at the same time, you will learn eventually how Power BI is useful in our day-to-day lives. All right, guys. Any questions? Anything?
Can
The difference
you
between
export? Oh,
uh,
sorry, what? Yeah. Can you export the full dashboard to Excel with all the visuals?
You can do so. There is a button called Analyze in Excel, right? So that you can do. I'll teach you that is a next version. So you mean to say that Power BI to Excel, right? You need to convert it.
Yeah.
Yes, you can. But Analyze in Excel option is there. But see, the entire objective, I'll tell you how it is. It is Power BI desktop is for your calculation. On okay, one person was with Mac, right? Unfortunately, there is no Mac version is available. Power BI desktop version is available in Mac. So all the calculation, all the cleaning, data cleaning, transformation, data ingest work, you will do it in Power BI desktop, particularly Power BI and Power BI, Power Query, and your Power View and Model View and Report View everywhere. And then you put it to the publish it to the Power BI service. There is another tool called Power BI service, which is the SaaS version of it. I would like to share today, since you have asked this question. I will just share my screen and I will explain it to you. But this is a paid tool. So from there, we talked about what is Power BI, if you remember, and there it is a collaboration tool we mentioned, right? From there, you can share all this report to your everyone from your team. I need to check whether no, it is not there, but I will share maybe tomorrow, or yeah, this option is we need to see if we have that, or we will create one Power BI service tool to showcase to you. So that will come app.powerbi.com. So that will be a app version. It is a SaaS software as a service version from Microsoft Power BI, and this is the desktop version where you do all the cleaning part and everything. So this is the difference between all these tools. So there you can share these tools to your colleagues and do all the collaboration stuff.
But that's cloud based. But what about on premises?
On
Because you
premises
mentioned,
is this one.
yeah.
This is the on premises. So major difference Power BI desktop and Power BI service is this one. That on premises is Power BI desktop. You have to
Okay.
push it to once you can see the button called publish share here.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
once you share it, it will go to the the service. We'll try a demo tomorrow. We'll try to do it a demo end of the
Oh.
lesson so that you can able to see that how it is looking like. There are many different options out there. So once you share this report to Power BI service, then it will be calling as dashboard. There it will be coming as dashboard report plus dashboard. Multiple reports coming together as a dashboard.
All right. Yes.
Okay. Any further questions? If not, I would request please share a review about our sessions. I think the link is there. That okay. Midjam was asking when do you use Power Query? Yes, Power Query we use when the data cleaning work we need to do. Suppose here, when we are uploading the data, it's having a lot of errors, lot of null values, lot of data which is not making any sense. You have to do multiple columns, multiple clear up jobs, but basically, all the kind of dirty job with the data that you have to do it in Power Query. And DAX you have to create when you are in the report view or when you're building any kind of reports, anything. Basically, DAX is, as I mentioned earlier, also it is to achieve something, right? So then we use DAX. Okay. So guys, as I mentioned, please put a review in the Google form and also subscribe to our all the channels so that you can get to know what is happening around. All right. Any
Okay.
questions?
Okay.
Rajita, okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much. You've been such a wonderful audience. Yeah, Jennifer, what happened? You put a question mark. Please tell me what is that question mark? Okay. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
No question.
No
Go ahead.
question. Okay. All right. I
A
got it.
question.
Okay.
Hello,
Okay.
question.
Yes. Yes, Rivaldo, please go ahead.
Uh, I am trying to fill the Google form,
Mm-hmm.
the link you sent in the Ninga, in the
Okay.
group chat. But
Yeah.
when I'm clicking on the link, it shows me that
Can you
I've
share? Can you
already,
please share? Can you please share?
yes. Yeah,
Okay, you have already done that. Yes, 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 yes. That's right. I think
yeah.
you have put a review earlier. If you put already done, then it's very
Yes,
good.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Maybe you can check with other in the LinkedIn. Maybe you can share your our views. Right. LinkedIn also have its page on Power BI, so that you can mention. Where can I get data? Excel. Sorry, I joined a bit late. Okay, Kamal, no problem. I will take up as the last question and then maybe we can wind it up. I'm sharing my screen again. Please take a look clearly. So this is the report view. This is what it looks like. You get a get data. Okay, I'll again share. It is get data. You will get Excel. There are so many connectors are there. 400 plus connectors are there, as you can see. It from Oracle, from IBM, from MySQL, and plenty. Snowflake. You can take a name. All these connectors are there. Not only that, Power BI also. I mean, Microsoft is also coming up with one tool named Microsoft Fabric. Okay, so there it is coming from the data lakes and lake houses. All this are you can take data from. Also, Power BI Power Platform is another tool of Microsoft Microsoft Power Platforms, where they have different kind of apps as well as data flows. There you can get Dataverse is also one of the most recognized tool in Microsoft. You can get data from there. Apart from that, Azure, the cloud services, from there you can bring data, to fetch data. Any kind of form of data is not a problem at all in Power BI. So are you clear, Komal? I need a cheer from your side. Komal, can you able to hear me? Okay. Uh,
Yes.
okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Um, um, I just follow the process on my
Okay.
screen,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm not able yet to do it by my own.
Okay.
So I will look in the
Video,
yeah
and
a
you can try.
WhatsApp group.
Yes, yes.
I will
Yeah.
looking for some links or tutorials.
Mm-hmm.
So I, in my own time, I
Sure.
can study it by my own pace.
Absolutely. All the recordings, yes, will be uploaded. You can see it. All right, Mirjam have
Where
a
are the recordings?
recordings will
Shall
be
you put the
uploading it.
links?
Yeah, we'll be uploading in the YouTube. Please follow the YouTube so that you will get to know what exactly uh, we'll be
You will put the
sharing.
YouTube link in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, yes, yes. We'll do that. Here
Okay.
also, I'm putting it so that it can be, you can able to see it. All the one second. I think I send it to someone else. Yeah, it is here. All the links. Yeah, Google Pay. Okay, I got one question from Hanif. Hanif, you asked one question from paginated reports. Wonderful questions. Power BI has also lot many collaboration tools. One is called another. It is another portion of where you publish the report. Paginated reports are basically for invoices. Maybe the creating any kind of master reports that can be generated by paginated report. It's an entirely different subject. This time we are not taking it up. It is little advanced topics. We will be taking up creating report and visualization and everything. Can you also create with crystal report? No, Miriam, I don't understand what is crystal report. I have no I have no knowledge on crystal report. Is there any kind of tool, crystal report? Komal, I meant the data with the Excel sheet shipment. Okay. So you mean to say that, Komal, the data set, you have not received the data set? No, Mirjam, I have no, sorry, I have no clue about crystal reports. It's a tool to get data from systems. I have no clue on that. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Um, okay. All right. Where I can find it? What, Komal? Please tell me what exactly you're looking for. I am okay. Is she asking for the data set? If you're asking for data set is here already shared to everyone in the beginning um, of the session itself. Yes, 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 yes. That is the YouTube channel. Amesh, the Excel sheet. Okay. We have not yet shared earlier. If not, I will share it again. It is okay. We might be joined late. Can you see it here? Overall data. There's a data named overall data top.
Drink tomato juice. If you have dry skin, drink aloe vera juice. If you have sensitive skin, drink green tea. If you have oily skin, drink cucumber water.
If not, we'll put it in the WhatsApp chat. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. Was it shared here? Yes, Komal. I think you joined late. No worries. I will put it in the group so that you can able to see that. Okay, I think we are good to go. And please, you can probably practice it a bit. Tomorrow we'll come up with again with a different measure, with the different visualizations, with lot many things. You wanted to, probably play around a little bit, and then maybe we can come back to you. All right. Thank you, everyone. Again, it was a wonderful learning for all of us. If you have any questions, any feedback, please feel free. Any suggestions, we'll be very happy to take it up and do it much better way next time. Okay. All right. Thank you.
All
Thank you.
right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right, Sarna. Thank you, everyone, for
Thank you,
joining. Have a
everyone.
Okay.
great weekend,
Yes.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Yeah. Bye.
Same time.
Yeah. All are
And
same.
yes,
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
all right.
Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you, everyone.
Yes.